Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, folks. Good evening, people. I hope you're doing well. So, and today, which is 28th of September, so this is exactly what my system said, which is Saturday, but today is Sunday, which is 29th of September 2024. This is my time on my system's time on date is actually not actually correct. So today is Sunday, which is 22. When a Sunday morning, Sunday night, the market is about to open, which is going to be a huge range for the next week of the market. So I'm just come up with some idea. So I started this idea a couple days back, but now, couple months back, maybe couple years back, recording this entire weeks of what is just happening throughout that week. So I just stopped doing. I don't know the reason why, but I know the reason why I'm stopping doing this because my mind started to getting detached from doing trading thing. So that is why. But now I am 100% focused more on trading related. Or I am about to figure this out, inshallah, and I'm about to continue to do this every single maybe Sunday or Friday night or Saturday or Sunday within the 3 days, so I am going to go through and every single 5 days of that from Monday to Friday is about what is just happening throughout that entire week of the markets. So let's get straight into it. Let's jump straight into it to actually what to see what is just happening on the last couple weeks. The prairie when the Monday I am started to literally started my days with a dollar index. It is a 4H time frame on the dollar index. If you look at the here, you will see the 2 hours and 1 minute and 1 second. Yeah, this that means the daily the 4H candlesticks cool is going to close about 2 hours ahead. So this is exactly the time that I do started to do my morning analysis. So you see, 23 of September 2023, which is 7:48 a.m. in the morning, which is London UK time. So I use the London UK time here in Nigeria. That is why. So that means the London session is about to open like 12 minutes ahead. So this is exactly my annotations for the week ahead. We will likely to see this low being broken, because the reason why is, if I am taking you onto the, as you see, I have just two annotation. So we are in a bullish basis. Remember, money transfer, but the current order flow is bearish on 4 hour time frame. The current order flow of the 4 hour time frame from the beginning of last 23 of September 2023 is bearish, but the current the bullishness of the markets, the bullish is still maintaining from, because we just keep making series of higher lows, but we didn't broken this high that was just broken. But you see how the market just build up liquidity and just came back into here. So this is the lowest point. Oh my god, we broken this, so I am totally forget. Oh my god, that's my fault, but it's all good. So this is bias that I have on the entire week, which is, as you can see here, and this is exactly what is happening. So on the 23 Monday price action, we do see the market just push up and just making two double bottom from here, and then we see the market just retested into this supply that causes this internal BMS to the downside on the 4H time frame, and we see the market continue to melt down from here. So guess what, the entire week of the 23 till 28, I think till 27, yeah, from 23 here till 27, the entire week I do expect to see a bearishness on DXY. That is my view. But as you can see, here on from the beginning of 2023, we do see the market started to push a little bit here. If I zoom out into the 4-hour time frame, you will see what I am talking to you on. If I zoom out, this is the 4-hour time frame. If I zoom out into the M15 time frame, you will see what I am about to tell you about this. We started from this bearish candlesticks. We do started the market to push a little lower. So that means from here, that means from this low till this high, this is our trading range that we do have to pay more attention to. But guess what? The market just decided to just make this leg and continue to move to the upside. So I do expect it to see the market continually moving, maybe this or this extreme demand. But guess what? The market didn't literally return into this extreme demand. But yeah, it is what it is, man. So there is a lot of bunch of interest that was just being pumped on a GBP USD. So the weeks and the end of this week is just break even week for me, even though I am in the right side of the market. But it is what it is, man. Some days you have to go through that. You can't catch every single move of the market. You can't catch every single move of the market because this is how the market works. So I have two scenarios. The first scenario is to see the market continually move to the downside, and the second scenario here is, as long as I see it started to making maybe as long as I see the market started making series of higher highs, higher lows, due to this huge candlesticks that was just being introduced on a London session, I just started to formulate the idea that the market is literally going to continue to move to the upsides. So it is what it is, man. So let me shows you what is just been happening on the entire week from Monday to Friday on the M15 time frame. So on a GBP USD on the 23 of August, no 23 of September. Yeah, on the 23 of September, which is 2023. This is the price action. Maybe started from here. Yeah, started from here Monday 2023. We do see the market push from the Frankfurt open till London session. We do see the market started to melt down. This is exactly why I have told you that. This is exactly why I have the idea that the market is literally going to, if you look at this on a 4-hour time frame, you will see what I am telling you. You see what this huge candlesticks on that was just happening on a daily time frame, on a M15 time frame. So this tells me that the market is literally going to continue to move to the downside. But I ended up didn't catch this trade. Why I didn't catch this trade? Because of I lost my focus here just for like 5 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. Yeah, I lost my focus here. This is why I missed this entire move. I didn't literally catch at least a single move of this, even though I am in the right side of the market. But I didn't catch this move. Let me show you. You see, the time that I open my chart is just the price action is here. But I told myself as long as this price retrace back into this area, because this is the last point that was just being introduced before this highest move, this is the lower time frame, maybe M3. Yeah, I think so. I guess so. This is the M3 time frame. Once the market retraces back into this, I lost my control at that time. To actually be honest with you, I lost my control. As long as I see in this money transfer, which is, we have a news at 9:30 a.m., which is the news has been released from GBP USD. So we see the market just push up a little bit lower, and then the market decided to continue to move higher. the M3 BMS shows me the intention of the price action is literally going to continue move to the upside. So we have this inverse FVG, which is inverted fair value gap here that was just being introduced. Is this fair value gap is supposed to hold? As long as this fair value gap been broken and we seen the market shifted on the BMS, so I just told myself that the bullishness is now in control of the market, but I have to be aware of this high, this this area that the market was being introduced, because we see the market making new high, the market making low. So that means this is the highest point that I do likely to see the market retest. Point of reaction, as I said to you, of course this is the point of reaction. So guess what, the market didn't return into this FPG. 12 pips SL and 36 pips TP, which is 1 to 3 are just banked here. So it is why it's not many. It happens a lot of the time. It happens. So I lost my control, to be honest with you. I lost my focus here. So this is the reason why I missed this entire move. This is not on a 4H time frame. This is the pro trend, but the market didn't actually return into 50% of the 4H leg, which is here and here. This is the entire range of the market that was just been pumped. Yeah, from here, from this high, from this low to this high, this is the entire range. Oh, this is the 4H time frame, but on M15 time frame, what the market been doing? Oh my days. On the M15 time frame, this is the counter trend, because we just market shifted. We cleared this sell side liquidity at 1.32680. So we cleared this. We do expected to see the push, which is the reversal. Yeah, reversal before the continuation. So we do have to take that entry in order for us to actually capitalize every single move. Yeah, as long as the session and timing being present, we can catch the moves. As long as we know where to get in and where to get out. This is how the day trading works. So we see the market just making series of higher highs, higher lows. So once we market didn't broken this high, because the market just leaving that huge imbalance. That means the market needed to rebalance this price. So from the coming up London's Asian session on Monday, we do see the market generating more liquidity from here. So we see the market just tanked into this liquidity, targeting this, clear out this sell side liquidity, which is equal lows here, which is Asian lows here, and we see the market clear this imbalance. Even this low just been cleared, which is act as a previous daily lows, which is there is a bunch of liquidities been built. In order for the market to fuel this move, it has to attack some liquidity of the market. So as long as I see in this, that seeing the market intention of the price started to move, I just have formulated the idea that I am going to continue move to take out this buy. So this is it. I missed this move coming into Tuesday. I literally didn't pay attention into this, paying attention into this 4H demand that was the market just being introduced. I just told myself it's just a single candle that was just being formed from here. It's just a single candle that the market just being formed from here. Yeah, of course. I just told myself we are going to, on a Tuesday, we are going to reverse this into this demand or this demand or this demand. This is what I told myself. So I didn't actually pay more attention to this move of the market. So the market just makes another lace on the 4H time frame, which is, this is external highs and this is external low that the market just been formed. So we see the market broken this external high. So that means at some point as long as we see in the market shifted from bullish to bearish on the M15 time frame, I am going to look for bearish. So let's look at the M15 time frame, what the market just do on that day. Now of course the market just making series of highs, lows, then the market generating more and more liquidity. And generating more liquidity. We've broken these highs, so that means from this lowest point to this highest point, this is the trading range that we are going to be pay more attention to. So this is the lowest point that the markets just fall on a specific day, which is this is going to act as a Asian low. This is the Asian high, and we see the market broken this Asian low, and we see the market broken this external low that was the market just been formed here. Yeah, oh my days. We see the market broken here. We see the market just retrace. We see the market broken here. So this is the lowest point that the market just been formed. So that means this is the lowest point. We see the market broken this with a conviction of with a series of candlesticks that was just been shows us the bearish momentum. So we took out this previous day's high. Yeah, of course the market attacking this buy side liquidity. We see the market shifted massively, shows us the momentum, bearish momentum, and we see the market retest into this highest point of the market, highest point of the supply that causes this, that took out this previous days and took out this previous external lows to shows all the sign of bearishness momentum of the market is about to kick in. So I just took the entry from here. Which is sell position that I takes on my days. Sell position that I take. Yeah, from here I take the sell position after we see in the market didn't takes out this Asian's highs, but we takes out this Asian's low. The same thing happened. We see the market push downs. We see the market push ups, and we see the market change in trend. And I took my entry position from here. Guess what? I just tapped into this. The market run at 1 to pipe RR. I have this idea of this. I have the idea of this IFVG. We broken out this. We tasted it. We didn't taste it. We tasted this. You see, the price rebalanced the IFVG on M5 and M15 time frame. Here, I have an eye on this level, and the M5 FVG fell the remaining. Once we see the M15 time frame fell, but what I am saying this here, but I just have mark out this. This is the M15, M3, M15 time frame IFVG. So that this is the broken that you see in here. This is just the M3 FVG just broken too. The remaining one was M5 and M15. M5 and M15 is still hold of the market. So I just have this idea of once I see in this market broken this, so this is IFVG is going to hold. Of course it's going to hold. I have to do what but I move myself to be, as long as I see market push out, broken, push high, broken. So once it's broken, I move myself to be E, and we are in a. So now the market just took me out at like break even on that day. So this is exactly what is happening on that day. I didn't actually for me attention to. So it is what it is, man. I missed this. I'm taking a break even here, so I didn't take a buy from here because of I just waited to see the market shift from bullish to from bearish to bullish on the M1 time frame, and the market did that. But why? Because I am in a short position. My market just being at somewhere else. I didn't pay more attention to it. So coming into the Wednesday, we are in a here. The market is still making series of higher highs, higher lows. So that means from this low to this high, this is going to be our trading range. So we have this breakup block because we took out this internal low. This highest point took out this internal low to test out this demand to continue to push the price higher. So we took out this low, so that means this is the area of reaction that I do expect to see the market to react. And guess what? The market reacted at this but decided to broken. This is a breakup block for me to actually for my attention. But once we see in this breakup block broken, that means I have a high probable scenario that the market is going to retest this demand for M15 demand. So why? Well, guess what? On the M1 time frame, the market didn't actually gives us the entry that we need until we see the market shifted from bearish to bullish. here. What is this? This is the lowest point that the market just formed at New York session of Tuesday, which is Rana Alamiski, and the lowest point at the market, which is act as a sell side liquidity that we do actually need to see this being broken. So this is exactly what happened. The market took out this low, which is buy side liquidity. I didn't take this entry, to be honest with you. I didn't take it. So I'm not going to lie to you. I didn't take it. I didn't take that one because we are approaching this demand zone. That is why I didn't take this entry. We are approaching this demand. That is why I didn't take it, because these actions happen on my time window. Yeah, on my time window, these actions happen. So it is what it is, man. So after after these days just been formed, we broken this. We see the market just retest into this actually supplies that causes this BMS to the downside. That means we are going to so I'm not trading New York session at that time because I'm not a full-time yet trader, but I'm not yet a full-time trader. I'm just struggle to trade the London session. This is exactly what I've been doing. So we test out this is to those who trade London session, a New York session, they catch this move and they catch the massive push to the downside, which is good. So we test out this 4H demand. We test out this 4H demand on the 4H time frame, and once we test out this 4H demand, guess what? The market started to formulate the idea of bullishness. This is the fractal supply, not just a structural point. And we've broken this fractal supply that the market has just been formed here on the Asian session, which is 2 a.m. We've broken this. We started to make a series of highs, higher lows. So I do literally waited to see the market retest at least 50% from that lowest point to this highest point that the market has just been formed. I do literally waited to see the market retest maybe, and this demand and this demand. Okay, this demand already been tested, but like Mark said, maybe the market come. I did not pay attention into this indecisiveness candlesticks that was just been pulled at a 50% level of this entire piece that was the market just been pumped from this high, from this low to this high. This is my trading range that I have been paying more attention to. Where I expected to see the market, so I do expect to see the market reacted from here or reacted from here. Actually, I did not pay more attention to this, but guess what? The market just retested into this, and then the market decided to continue to move from here. So it is what it is, man. So we see the market after we took out this high. We see the market retest. This is the fractal retest, not just a full retest. So this is the single leg that the market just been bound. So we see the market retested into this. And to those who trade London's New York session, they catches this move. So which is actually good for them. They catches this move. So for me, I didn't catch this move. To be honest with you, I didn't catch this move. So it is what it is, man. This is how the game works. So that means this is what is just happening on a Thursday. This is what is happening. So that means the remaining trading days is going to be 1 day's remain for me to do. So that means on Wednesday I missed this massive move to the upside here because I have been waiting to see the reaction at this here. The reason why I missed this move is I didn't literally I didn't actually be myself be in 100% in my high attention span at that time. My mind has been distracted by something else I didn't notice. So it is what it is, man. So this is how the market adapt. This is how the thing going every day. Yeah. Those move, I didn't catch this move, and I didn't catch this move. I didn't be a chat at a New York session. So I am outside. I am at work. So there is a reason. That is a reason why I didn't catch this move and this move. So if I were a chat at that time, I maybe catch this movement and maybe catch this move. So it is what it is, man. So I wish some days I will become a full-time trader to actually trade both London session and New York session. So I'm trying. Even though now I'm trying. So what is those offer? So now, after I missed this move, I didn't literally know is that the market just retested this 50% of that leg, and he just had this indecisive leg candlesticks. Market just retested at 9 a.m. and the market started to push higher and higher. So this is what is just happening. You can't deny that. You can't literally deny that. Coming into the Friday, on Friday I didn't actually wake up at Friday. I did not wake up at Friday. Market makes another high from this low to this high, from this low to this high, from this highest point to this lowest point. This is going to be my trading range to be more pay attention to on the next day. So this is the 50% of the range that I do have to make for me that I do have to pay more attention to. So on the London on a Asian session, the market just already been at 50% of that, and then the current or the flow of the market is continually making series of lower highs, lower lows. You see, making series of lower highs, lower lows, and we do see the market mitigated this extreme demand, which is the full focus is going to be here. As long as I am at a Friday, I didn't actually show off on a London session at that time. This is the reason why I did not show up at that time. So as long as I am at London session here, I am going to catch this move. To be honest, I am going to catch this move. To be honest with you, what it is, man. I missed this, which is 123. Yeah, 123.18. Yeah, this is midpoint. Then the high, the targeted is going to be the highest high of that Asian high. This is going to be 4.77 RR, which is quite good. So yes, of course, I monitor this price action. So at that day, I didn't able to wake up on time to trade London session. So I said to myself, well, if I didn't trade the London session, I have to show up for the New York session because I am not going anywhere today. On a Friday, I didn't go to work on that day. So I monitor this price action. Guess what? Let me show you. You see, I show up at that time. You see, for 10:31, which is 2 p.m. 2 p.m. UK time, 14:31 p.m. UK time, and this is what is exactly happening. We're seeing the massive push on a wow drive. So this is the new stepend. Actually, this is the usually 130. So at 130, there is a lot of time at New York session. Once the New York session market open, 1 a.m. and 1 p.m. UK time, there is a lot of momentum at the market because because the stock market is about to open at that time. So you see the massive push like this at that specific time. This is going to be like almost 50 pips, or which is it's actually a news event that driving the price higher like this, just driving the price. The news event actually that does that. So I mark out this. We're seeing the market just broken this empty low, and we see the market just left this imbalance here with a pretty much M5 order block here. So I just told myself, so well, I'm going to put my order here. I didn't literally big fan of setting the limit order to just let the price do its thing. No, I'm not that type of person who used to do that. Literally, you go a person who used to be on time to deliver the price and do what he wanted to do. Well, it's almost 11, so I have to go to sleep because I want to wake up to a London session tomorrow. Well, this is what is happening, man. And the market just decided to continue to move to the downside. So it is what it is, man. So that is what is happening. Okay, let me show you after. This is the after. This is what is happening. The market just tasted this specific area and just melted. I just have two entries with different take profits. The first position is 3.16 RR and the second one is 5.7 RR with 7.3 SL, both of them with 7.3 SL stop loss, both of them. So it is what it is, man. So the reason why I missed this trade because I didn't literally trade London New York session most of the time. So at that time I've been distracted by something. This is why I always have to accept my excuses that I have been making, because this is the reversal point. This is actually the pro trend, and this is the counter trend pro trend. So I'm not expected to hold this trend trail here. No, I'm expected to see the market reacted at this specific demand. If this demand didn't hold, we might actually going to hold at this last down close candlesticks that push the price higher. This is exactly the point. I'm not expected to see the market broken this because the market is literally in a bullish pace on GBP USD. So this is why I said my TP. This is maybe if this act as a inducement. So the market literally going to have to turn back into from here to continue to move higher. This is the point, and this is the reversal point, counter trend on M15, counter trend on points time. This is the riskiest trade. The riskiest trade to take. Of course, this is the reason. This is the reason why I didn't take that trade. So let's see what the next week of the market brings to us. This is exactly what is just happening throughout the entire week of the 23 September to 27 September. So let's see, maybe I will see you next week. So hope you will going to catch so many pips on the next trading day. So here, peace.